Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Good morning, sir. We bless God for another opportunity like this. We thank God for okay. Thank God for another opportunity like this to look at the chart. I trust that your week was good. So I see that there is no need for us waiting for others, since the meeting is going to be recorded and is going to be on YouTube. So anyone that did not join us from the beginning can always go back and watch, because we need time to actually go through what we have every day. So instead of waiting and spending that quality time waiting for others to join. And I'm very sorry that I have to do this morning. Today, we are approaching the end of the month, and every end of the month, usually we have program in the church. So I know the time that we normally have this meeting, I will definitely still be in church by then. So I said, let me just do it this morning. I know it might not be convenient for most people, but please bear with me. The week that just ended, I was just looking at the video and I saw some of the things that we analyzed that went through. And maybe I will say this at the end of the meeting. There's something I noticed in the video. I think I just need to make correction. When I was watching, I discovered I said something that is not correct. So I will clarify it at the end of the video. So let's just go straight to what we have for today. Let me share my screen. So sharing my screen, as usual, I would like us to start from the banking stock. So let's start from Access. Let's see what Access did last week and see what the possibilities are in the coming week. Okay. So the week was red. The week was red. Let me see, but price is currently at a support. There was a pullback at this resistance of 9.96 naira, pulling it back towards this resistance, which is about to turn support at 9.53 naira. So if you can buy assets at this price, it's good. Note that the momentum is red, is already red, but Thursday was a green, Friday was a red. Let's see what happens on Monday. By Monday, I expect this thing to go up back to become green. If there is a green on Monday, then it's a confirmation. But if there is no green on Monday, you can wait and come and buy around 9.25 naira. So if you can get it at 9.25 naira, any price around here is good. Any price around here is good. I don't know how long it's going to stay here, but currently prices at the support, you should buy. Even if you are not going to buy all the trade that you want to hold, you can buy a portion of your trade at this price, at current price, which is good. That's for Access, but I expect a follow through in the coming week. Let's see if price is able to break this 9.96 naira resistance. If it breaks it, then it goes to 10.58 naira. Let's go to another bank. Let's look at Zenith. So for Zenith, okay, Zenith is breaking out already. You see, there's a resistance around here. It pull back, then break the resistance. So already is broken. This resistance is broken. What I expect price to get to 25.71 naira or 26.21 naira. But this is a good signal. Let me check what the weekly is saying. Okay, the week is still intact. So if you are holding it, hold it to around 25.71 naira. But if you want to enter at this level now, I may say is a bit high, but if you can take the risk, fine. But price has already broken this resistance. So it's going to the next resistance, which is around 26.21 naira. So let's look at Wema. Let's look at what Wema is saying. So for Wema, wow, You see what I was saying last week? Okay, let me just quickly say this. Madam spotted a divergence at this level. If you remember, she said there was a divergence, but I said there was no divergence yet, that until this thing crosses above, that is when it is confirmed. Yes, until it crosses above, it is confirmed, but there was a divergence. That was what I said I needed to correct. When I was watching the video, I noticed that it was an error. I didn't spot it well. It was a divergence, but not confirmed. At this level, it's confirmed. You know, I said you should buy at this level. I didn't even check this chart. In fact, I think I checked it on Thursday. I still saw that it was red. I wanted to buy. My broker did not give me, so I lost interest, Gary. I didn't know that Friday was a big bull. I'm just opening my chart this morning. So you now see, this is a confirmation, you see. So I expect price to, now we need to change the direction of this Fibonacci to be looking up. So what are the levels to expect? 84 kobo, 90 kobo. Those are the levels to expect. Fidelity. Fidelity Bank. Wow, Fidelity Bank is also trying to break out. This thing will most likely break out. Let me see. Okay, if it breaks out, it's going to 29. It's already broken out. But, you know, at times, I need to make this known. There is what we call fake out. So until a breakout is confirmed, you won't say it's already broken out, but it can become a fake out. A fake out in the sense that this next day like this thing will just come down, we come back into this range, into this price range. You see now that it trapped some people. When people bought thinking that it will go up, it will just trap them. Immediately price come and close below this swing low, which is 22 naira 66 kobo. Then it's a fake out. Price can now retrace to somewhere around here. But as it is like this, if you have it, you hold it till 2 naira 95 kobo. Let's look at another bank. Sterling. Okay, this Sterling Bank, at current price, you can enter. This is still cheap. It's still cheap. But if you can get it around 1 naira 43 kobo, which is good. But looking at this rejection, and Friday too was strong. Let's wait till next week. But buy it if you can get it around 1 naira 46 kobo, around this price is good. Even at current price, if I want to buy, I will buy it, knowing that if it breaks out, then it's going to all these levels. I don't want to draw the levels yet because my parabolic is still facing down. Though price has already touched support. So I expect it to go up, but until this thing come down, I will not change this direction. So if you get it cheaper, it's better. But that current price is fine. That's Sterling. Unity Bank. Unity Bank, see, is about to break out of the cloud. In fact, at current price, you can buy. Just enter. We've already missed it because we've not been analyzing it. I would have told you to buy around here. But looking at it, the way it is good. Buy into 61 kobo. There's a resistance at 63 kobo. If it breaks it, it's going to 69 kobo. And if it can get to 75 kobo. That's another good opportunity to buy. I don't know if anybody knows something about this Jay's Bank. I don't used to check it. I was just checking, and I think I saw opportunity there. So if we can buy it, I don't know what they do, but since it's also in the banking sector, I think banking sectors are doing well now. So you can hold it from here. What are the profit possibilities? 68 kobo, and you can get it at 78 kobo. Skybank. Is there still Sky? Skybank. No, sorry.
Skyway Aviation.
Yes. I just remember now. NP. This microfinance bank too. We've missed it. I think there was a time I was watching the video, so I saw that we've analyzed it a time ago around here, but we stopped looking at it. I am trying to create a watch list now so that I will know what we even look at every Saturday. This is going to 2 naira 4 kobo. If it breaks that level, it's going to 2 naira 19 kobo and so on. So we've missed the opportunity. This was the time we should have bought. But at current price is high. I won't tell you to enter now, but if you have it, hold it. It's already.
To what extent?
You can hold it till, that's what I'm saying, 2 naira 19 kobo or 2 naira 4 kobo. Let's see another thing that you can check. You can come here and check 52 weeks range. What is the 52 weeks range, which is 1 naira 96 kobo? It has already broken the 52 weeks range. So we use Fibonacci for the extension, 2 naira 4 kobo, 2 naira 19 kobo, and so on. That's where it's going. Next bank, GT. I didn't even check this GT. Let me see what happened. Okay, I said we should buy at this current level. So if you have bought, please hold, and let's see where it goes to. It will face resistance at around 29 naira, then goes to 29 naira 44 kobo. Let's see if it will get to 30 naira 25 kobo. But if you have entered following the analysis of last week, I saw it eating the cloud and it was not able to break through the cloud. So that was why I said you can buy. And this green day on Friday is a confirmation that is good. So if you have entered, you can hold it. UBN. Okay, see what is happening. Trying to find support around this place. So if you can get it any price around 4 naira 90 something, or better still, best price entry, 4 naira 88 kobo. Can get it at that price is good. Let me see my Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci should be here. Okay, so let's see how it goes in the coming week. This is a good opportunity to enter because it's still cheap. I will not advise you to go and buy something that is already around this price. So that's UBN. Which one is Infinity?
UBA.
Okay, I don't know if you.
UBA.
Okay, I'll check UBA. I don't know what these people are. This is Infinity something, but if you can get their stock around 1 naira 28 kobo and so on, I think is about to reverse the trend. This is an indication of an exhaustion. Call it exhaustion bar. Price went down and it immediately went back up at first. So it's now trying to retrace. By the time you retrace and find support, you see that it will start going up. That's what I'm saying. Then let's see UBA. That will be the last bank we are looking at. Oh, UBA has already broken this resistance. This resistance that I saw last week, now I was saying most likely this resistance might hold, but the way, and it was red then. See, the following day, it just become green. Anytime you see red and green up like this, is a continuation. So it's going up to 8 naira 84 kobo. And if we can get to 8 naira 27 kobo in this coming week, let's see. Or this coming week, I expect it to touch 8 naira 84 kobo. So, okay. So let's look at insurance. Let's check ICO. ICO insurance. So last week we were analyzing that we should buy around this support because it was building momentum. And I saw that it was building momentum and I saw rejection at this level. So I said you can buy. You see what happened. If you have waited for the price to cross above the cloud, you see we would have missed it. When we check is market condition that will make me say, okay, let's wait for it to cross above the cloud. If the market is already trending up, for instance, and it pulls back into the cloud, I may say, okay, I don't know whether it still wants to pull back more or it wants to continue. So I can say, okay, let's wait for it to cross above the cloud. But in this case, price has been in the downtrend for so long, and I see that it's already at the bottom of the downtrend, trying to reject low. So you enter, you don't wait for price to cross, because by the time it will jump, you see this spike, would have missed it if I was waiting for it to cross above the cloud. Currently, price is around 24 kobo. So I need to change the direction of this Fibonacci. Let me change and see. Okay, you see that trend line that was holding it is already giving way. It's already giving way. So let me delete the trend line. So what level should we hold it to? There's a resistance around 130 kobo. If it breaks it, it's going to 159 kobo. Let's see 52 weeks range. So 52 weeks range, 159 kobo. Okay, so if you have it, hold it. Let's see what happens in the next week. Name. Okay, name is cheap. Name is cheap. By getting it around this price, good. If you get it around this price, it's better. That's around 180 kobo. It's better. But currently, it's trying to find support here for quite some time now. It's unable to break lower. And Friday was a green day. So I expect a follow through. By this week, I expect this parabolic start to come down. So when it comes down, we change the direction of this Fibonacci. Let me quickly change this one and see where retracements are more likely. Okay, see. Okay, if you can get it around 180 kobo, you see, it's good. It's going up. By the time it breaks this level of 2 naira 19 kobo, 2 naira 30 kobo, is going to 2 naira 71 kobo. That's for NEM insurance. Let's look at another insurance. Regency Alliance. Regency Alliance. Okay, it's looking down. But if you can get it at 36 kobo, it's good. It's about to test this support again. First time rejection, second time rejection. It wants to test it for the third time. If there is a rejection by Monday, Tuesday, then I know that this level is strong. This 336 kobo is strong. So you hope that it will turn the trend and start going back up to where it's coming from. Well, where is it coming from? It's coming from 51 kobo. So that is for Regency Alliance. Let me put that here. At this level is strong support. Let's see the reaction at this level. I expect a reaction that when price touch this place, it will go back up. If it doesn't go back up, it will expose 27 kobo. But I expect it to go back up. Let's wait for 2 days. If you can buy a portion of your trade the way it is, fine. And hope and wait for like 2 days and see reaction at this level. If traders push it back, then it's telling me that this level is a strong support, and you can now buy more. Another cornerstone. Oh, cornerstone is already looking up for a breakout of this level. If it breaks that level, if it breaks the level of 57 kobo, it's going to this level, 61 kobo. Then if it breaks 61 kobo, it's going to 68 kobo. Let me draw my Fibonacci. You see that there's a confluence around 68 kobo. So this 68 kobo might be a very strong resistance. But let's see what happens in the coming week. I expect a follow through. It's a good opportunity to buy. See, See, rejection, 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 and it's now becoming green. Momentum is about to cross to the opposite side. So I expect a spike this coming week. I expect a spike. Mansard. Mansard. Oh, Mansard is a serious downtrend. A serious downtrend. In fact, it's too far from this cloud. If you can get Mansard at 2 naira 16 kobo and hold it for a long time, it might take some time before it will pick up. But by the time it starts going up, it can get to 3 naira 21 kobo, 3 naira 97 kobo. Let me draw small Fibonacci overlap from here and see what the possibilities are. Okay, rejection. I expect reaction at 2 naira 68 kobo, then this level. Let's see what happens. But you can buy Mansard at 2 naira 13 kobo or 2 naira around this price is good. That's for Mansard. Which one is this consolidated hallmark? Oh, this consolidated hallmark at current price is good. Price has struggled to cross above the cloud. It's now struggling. You see, red, 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 green, doji, 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 red, doji, doji. By the time this thing goes up like this, it will start advancing to 63 kobo or 73 kobo. At current price, is good to enter. If you get it cheaper, around 53 kobo, is good. Any price around these levels, they are good. At current price is also good. In this coming week, I expect reaction. I expect a green day. This is a strong support. That's why price keeps bouncing above it. This was something similar to what happened in First Bank. Don't let's miss this opportunity. Let's go to FitSyn. I think I was looking at the chart of FitSyn too. Okay, FitSyn is becoming flat, but if you can, let me change the direction of this Fibonacci because it's already facing up from here, facing up. Any price around here is good for entry. 6 naira, 5 naira, any level here is good. Let's see what will happen in the coming week if this thing will pick up. But for some time now, it's been flat, no activity, no activity. Let's see if there's going to be a push-up. If there's a push-up, then you start going up. But current price is good to enter. Enter at current price and wait for what the action is going to be. Or most likely, I expect a reaction this week. That this thing we just look up, then we start going to levels like 6 naira 50 kobo. If it breaks that level, 6 naira 65 kobo, 6 naira 97 kobo, and so on. Those are the levels to watch. Let's look at May and Baker. May and Baker. Wow, May and Baker is still looking down, but it's been flat for some days. Friday was a green momentum. If you get it around 4 naira 25 kobo, it's good. But mind you, this is a downtrend. There's no indication that it wants to go up now. You will need to hold it for a long period of time. So 4 naira 20 kobo is a good price to enter. But if you can get it around 4 naira 92 kobo, is in fact, if you get it at this price, just jump at it. Jump at it because it's going to react to this level. It's going to react. So traders will attack that level. Let's look at oil and gas. This MRS, it's been flat for some time now. I remember I analyzed it. I used the weekly. No, I used the monthly to analyze it when I told people to buy at this level. But currently it's been flat at 15 naira 20 kobo. Let me see, 15 naira 20 kobo. That's the week's range. That's why it's been flat for some time. So it's like it's gotten to the highest I can get to for now, but it's been flat. Let's see. Momentum is here intact. See, it's still green, 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 no red. Let's see 1 week that this thing will just push up. If we push up, then there will be a follow through. Let me quickly draw Fibonacci overlap from here. Okay. You see this reaction at 15 naira 26 kobo. Now, if it breaks this level, it's going to 16 naira 66 kobo or 17 naira 98 kobo. Okay, which one is Okomo?
Total.
Okay, total, I'm coming. Total. This Okomo oil. Overbought. Okay, it's weekly. See this last week. It was a big on Friday. Okay, see the levels. Let's see if it will get to 142 naira 66 kobo in the coming week, but I expect it to get to that level. Total.
Fresco.
Total.
Fresco.
What happened? Total spiked up. Did we analyze this total? Can't remember. Cannot remember. How can we miss this kind of opportunity? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Cannot remember whether we analyzed this total. I think we did. Okay. See the momentum has been building momentum, green. It spiked. In fact, it has total. I don't know where you are going again. Let me quickly check quickly. Okay. See the resistance at this level. That's what pushed it back. See, it got to 240 and it retraced back. This is because of this resistance. Now see, so we missed this opportunity. This is a breakout. It's still going up. It might retrace for some time and start going up again. This is a massive breakout. I don't know what happened last week, but we've missed it. Presco. This one too reacted to this level, jumped up. So currently at 89 kobo. Let's see if it will 89 naira. Thank you. Let's see if it will get to 96 naira 39 kobo in the coming week. But it's still going on. Which other one? Which one is Japo? Is this one still valid? Is the chart still valid? Okay.
They look like Lafarge.
Okay.
Waco,
Lafarge. Oh, Lafarge. I'm quickly noting it so that Lafarge. See, this is a level to enter. It's reacting to this level. So if you can enter at this price, let's see if we can push it to 29 kobo.
29 naira.
Is it 29 naira?
That's what is presently 27.
Is it naira or kobo? This should be kobo.
No, it's still on
Wapo.
No, I'm not on
you are still
Wapco
on
yet.
Japo.
I'm not on Wapco yet. Wapco.
Okay, sorry.
Wapco. See the breakout, see reaction. I think we checked this thing last week. Wapco, I can't remember, but see the reaction. It came in, went back, came in, went back. You should know that traders are picking this level. So it's going up. At 26 naira, it will get to 27.53 and 28.64. Let's see this week, this coming week. Expect it to get to that level. Lafarge.
It's the same thing with Watco.
Okay, is Wapco. Okay. Which other one should we look at?
Red Star Express.
Red Star Express. Oh, breaking out already. Should have been the best time to enter this price. Sorry, this support. You see what I say about support? When you see price as a support, you just pick it first. And momentum was building. See how it went up. Price currently at 3 naira 41 kobo. Hope it will get to 3 naira 56 kobo in the coming week. Which other one should we look at? Any other one? Because I want to round up now.
Have you checked Orlando, please?
Orlando. Okay. This kind of reaction, let me tell you one thing about when parabolic star goes up, immediately comes down. Is like it wants to build a range. From here to here is a range. So, but currently the parabolic star is under. So we change the direction of our Fibonacci to be looking up. I need to delete this one. This one has been here for some time now. So I draw another one. Draw another one from here. Price is above the cloud, strong momentum. See the level that the price was reacting to. So if you can get it at current price, is okay. If you get it cheaper, it's better. So what are the levels to watch? We get it around all these levels here. 4 naira 93, 4 naira, 5 naira around this price. So when it reacts to this place and break out, it will go to 5 naira 46 kobo, then 5 naira 79 kobo. We now see traders' reaction at that level. If traders are not able to push it back down and there is a breakout, then to expose this level of 6 naira 32 kobo, 6 naira 59 kobo. Any other one? That's for Wando.
Nigeria Brewery or Guinness.
Guinness. Let me just say Guinness. Okay. Wow, breakout this last week. If you have looked at this thing last week, I would have told us to buy it. When I saw this and momentum was building, would have told us to buy it, but we did not look at it. So let's see the levels to watch. Breakout has broken all the levels, but currently price is at a major resistance, which is it 36 now. But this momentum is strong. I don't expect this thing to come down. So if it doesn't come down, let's see. Okay, let's now see overlapping Fibonacci and see where it's going to. Don't expect it to come down again. And hold it to 41 naira 25 kobo or 45 naira 92 kobo. It breaks that level too. Is going to 48 naira 80 kobo. Let's see if we can take one more. Any other one?
What of access?
Nigeria Brewery.
Access.
We've checked access.
Nigerian Brewery.
Nigerian Brewery.
MB.
Okay, just MB, Abi.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good opportunity. This is the one I like to watch because it's still cheap. Still cheap. Should have entered around here. See, I've had this line here for so long, but we were not looking at it. Momentum have already crossed to the opposite side. Let me draw the Fibonacci. We're not looking at it. Last week, I would have told us to buy it. Okay. What are the levels? 54 naira 96 kobo. If we break that level, 58 naira 22 kobo, or finally 60 naira 23 kobo. So that's the last we can take for today. So I wish you a lovely weekend, and I hope that next week we'll still have another time like this to analyze the market, God's willing. So bye for now, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.